Have you ever thought about investing in farmland? Might sound unusual, but it's an exciting, tangible asset with potential returns. Welcome to the world of farmland investment, a sphere that may be less traversed, yet brimming with potential. Imagine owning a piece of the earth and profiting from its bountiful yield. Farmland investment is just that, a way to capitalize on the land's inherent value and its capacity to produce. This investment avenue is not just about the thrill of ownership. It's a strategic move that can diversify your portfolio, offering a hedge against inflation and economic downturns. With farmland, you're dealing with an asset that's real, tangible, something you can touch, feel, and see. It's not just a line on a balance sheet or a fluctuating graph, it's a real piece of the world that, managed well, can yield substantial returns. Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step process of investing in farmland. You might be wondering why farmland? Well, there's more than meets the eye. Indeed, investing in farmland offers a rich array of benefits. One of the most compelling is its resistance to inflation. In the chaos of fluctuating markets, farmland remains a solid rock of stability. Why, you ask? It's simple. As a tangible asset, its value isn't tied to volatile market sentiments. Instead, it's grounded in something real, something you can touch and feel, the land itself. Another appealing factor is the potential for stable income. Farmland produces commodities that are always in demand, whether it's grains, fruits, vegetables, or livestock. As the saying goes, people always have to eat. This means that regardless of economic conditions, there will always be a market for what your farmland produces, providing a steady stream of income. But it's not just about monetary gains. Investing in farmland also has significant sustainability aspects. As an investor, you're not just putting your money into an asset, you're also contributing to the preservation of our planet. By investing in sustainable farming practices, you're helping to promote biodiversity, improve soil health, and combat climate change. This makes farmland investment not only financially rewarding but also environmentally responsible. Furthermore, farmland can act as a hedge against economic downturns. When stock markets are shaky and bonds yields are low, farmland tends to hold its value. This is because, unlike stocks and bonds, the value of farmland isn't dependent on corporate profits or interest rates. Instead, it's based on a fundamental human need, food, which remains constant regardless of the economy's ups and downs. In essence, farmland investment offers a unique blend of stability, income potential, and sustainability. It's a tangible asset that serves a fundamental human need while also contributing to the health of our planet. Now that you understand its appeal, let's explore how you can get started with farmland investment. Before diving in, understanding the market is crucial. It's like setting sail on a vast ocean. You wouldn't want to venture out without a compass, a map, and a keen understanding of the currents and weather patterns. The same goes for the farmland investment market. Knowledge is your compass, your map, your weather report. So how do you start to understand this market? Like any other investment, research is key. It's about delving deep into the nitty-gritty of the farmland market, which is as rich and diverse as the soil that makes it up. It's crucial to understand that not all farmland is created equal. You have arable land, suitable for crops, and then you have pasture land, meant for grazing livestock. Each comes with its own set of considerations, benefits, and challenges. Location is another vital factor. It's not just about the country or the state, it's about the specific region, the climate, the quality of the soil, and the accessibility to resources like water and transport. A patch of land might look perfect on paper, but if it's miles from any water source or transport route, it might not be as profitable as you think. Then there's the matter of crops. Different regions are suitable for different types of crops. Some areas might be perfect for growing wheat, while others are more suited to fruits or vegetables. Understanding what grows best where can help you make an informed decision about where to invest. Market trends are another key piece of the puzzle. Are people eating more quinoa and less wheat? Is there a growing demand for organic produce? These trends can impact the value of your investment. And let's not forget the role of technology in modern farming. From drones to satellite imaging to precision farming, technology is revolutionizing the way we farm. It's making farming more efficient, more sustainable, and yes, more profitable. So take the time to understand the market. Research, analyze, ask questions. Because the more you know, the better your chances of finding a piece of land that's not just a patch of earth, but a fruitful investment. With a good grasp of the market, you're ready to take the next step, sourcing your farmland. Finding the right piece of land is a journey, but it's worth it. The road to securing the perfect farmland for your investment portfolio can be a winding one, filled with both obstacles and opportunities. However, with the right strategies and a keen eye for potential, it's a journey well worth taking. There are several avenues you can explore when sourcing farmland. The traditional route is through personal connections. A tip from a friend or an introduction by a family member can lead you to landowners looking to sell. This method, although reliable, requires a strong network and a fair amount of patience. If you're looking for a more modern approach, consider online platforms. They've revolutionized the way investors source farmland. These platforms aggregate listings from across the country, allowing you to compare and contrast different properties at your leisure. You can filter by location, size, price, and even crop type. It's like having a real estate agent in your pocket. Don't forget about auctions either. These events can be a goldmine for investors, offering both competitive prices and a wide variety of properties. Just remember to keep your cool and stick to your budget. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of bidding, but overpaying for property can quickly erode your potential returns. Regardless of how you source your farmland, due diligence is essential. It's crucial to assess the land's value and potential accurately. That means examining the soil quality, water availability, and local climate. It also means understanding the local market, including crop prices and land rents. If necessary, consider hiring an expert to help with this evaluation. Their insight could be the difference between a profitable investment and a costly mistake. Remember, investing in farmland is not just about buying a piece of land. It's about identifying a property that can generate sustainable returns over the long term. It's about finding a diamond in the rough and polishing it into a gem. After finding the right farmland, it's time to secure your investment. Securing your investment means more than just signing a check. It's about understanding the journey from the initial handshake to the final contract signature. It's about navigating the landscape of negotiations, legal procedures, and financing options. And it's about the ongoing role of land management in preserving and enhancing the value of your investment. Let's begin with the purchase. The process can be intricate and requires careful navigation. It's not just about agreeing on a price, it's about understanding the land's potential, its constraints, and its future prospects. You'll need to negotiate terms that reflect these factors, and that's where having a savvy negotiator by your side can make all the difference. Once you've settled on a price, it's time to move into the realm of legal procedures. You'll need to ensure the land title is clean, free of any encumbrances or disputes. It's about dotting the I's and crossing the T's, making sure that every clause in the contract protects your rights and interests. This is where a competent legal team becomes invaluable. Now, on to financing. Unless you're paying outright, you'll likely need to consider different financing options. From traditional bank loans to innovative crowdfunding initiatives, there's a whole world of possibilities out there. The key is to find a financing model that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. And finally, let's talk about land management. This is where the real work begins. It's about nurturing the land, cultivating it, and tending to its needs. Whether it's implementing sustainable farming practices, installing irrigation systems, or managing pests, your active involvement in land management can significantly impact the value of your investment over time. In conclusion, securing your farmland investment is a multifaceted process. It's about negotiation, due diligence, financing, and ongoing land management. It's an investment that requires time, effort, and a deep understanding of the land and its potential. But with the right approach, the rewards can be substantial. With the right approach, your farmland investment could yield fruitful returns. So, there you have it, a beginner's guide to investing in farmland. We've gone through the appeal of this unique asset class, understanding the market dynamics, sourcing your farmland, and securing your investment. Investing in farmland provides a tangible asset that has the potential to offer significant returns. Remember, farmland is not just soil and crops, it's an asset that grows in value and provides a buffer against economic downturns. It's an investment that feeds the world and fuels our future. It's clear that farmland investment isn't for everyone, but for those who are willing to explore this unique asset class, it comes with potential rewards. It's a long-term commitment that requires patience, diligence, and a solid understanding of the market. So, if you're looking for an investment that's a little out of the ordinary and potentially lucrative, consider farmland. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and fellow investors. Until next time, happy investing! The information provided in this video or communication is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not intended as and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or tax advice. The content is based on general principles and may not be applicable to your specific financial situation or needs. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor, accountant, attorney, or other professional before making any financial decisions or taking any actions related to your finances. Any investments or financial decisions you make are solely your responsibility. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and there are no guarantees of any specific outcomes or returns. While every effort has been made to ensure the accuracy and completeness of the information provided, we do not warrant or guarantee its accuracy, reliability, or suitability for your individual circumstances. We do not endorse or promote any specific investment products, services, or strategies mentioned in this video or communication. Any references to such products, services, or strategies are for illustrative purposes only, and do not constitute a recommendation or endorsement. You should conduct your own research and due diligence before making any financial decisions. In summary, this video or communication is not financial advice, and you should not rely on it as such. It is essential to seek professional advice tailored to your specific financial situation and goals before making any financial decisions or taking any actions.